Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow image submission backlink. Okay, so the website name is pictochart.com and this is a website dashboard. So before that we can show something about that website. So according to HRF, the domain rating is 83 and according to Moj, the domain authority 84, spam score is only 1%, and according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 1.5 million total visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, Mexico, Colombia, India and Spain. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source from that website, so must you guys have to create a backlink on that website. Okay, so this is a website dashboard. So before so now we can start. So before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you can see top of the right corner there is a sign up button. You guys can click over there. There is multiple option to can create your profile backlink using the Facebook, Google Auto Complete and the sign up with manual. So there you guys can add your company name, your email ID, then you guys can choose your password. Then you can click for the sign up for free. And they have sent it a confirmation email, so you guys can check your email ID. Yeah, we received it, so you guys can click for the confirm email button and you guys can choose any option. Then you can click for the continue, then you can click for the note now button, and this might take couple of seconds, then they can redirect on your profile dashboard. So simply you guys can click over there and you guys can, let me check if there are option to we can optimize profile details, customize size, all templates. So there is no any option to we can create or optimize our profile. Yeah, here it is. So there you guys can add your company details. So this is a company description I have already generated. So work role is blogger, writer, ID, recruitment, training, and all the changes are saved. Integrations, workspace profile, job my workspace is already created. So yeah, this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So then what we can do next, so there is multiple options. So you guys can create your infographics, posters, flyers, social media banners, are many things are many options are available. So simply we can go for the infographic, and from there you guys can choose your blank template or pre-built template and then there we can add a title. So this is a title, and let me use a 32 font size, and there I can going to add title name, and you guys can optimize according to you. And one-way video interview, let me check, and I can take it a screenshot. From there my upload section, there you guys can upload your picture. So this should be gone in, yeah, here it is. And you guys can make it user readable. Then what we can do next, so next we can going to add a short content about this image, so we can take it next, caption, body text, and you guys can add also some content. Then it should be going to look like a quality of content and genuine. But the your case, you guys can generate a fresh content, because right now I don't have time, so that's why I'm doing these things. But the your case, you guys can at least generate a quality of content, and you guys can see top of the section there is a link button. You guys can click over there, then you can click for the apply button, and in the image section you guys can also add your backlink. Then you guys can click for the share button and you can make it public. Then you can click for the copy link button, and we can check in incognito, so it's instant approved backlink or not. So you guys can see this is a title of this image, this is image, and I can show you this is a Dofollow, a Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. Okay, and let me check for the image. So for the image, this is a Dofollow backlink, so there is no any indication for the Dofollow or no referral, so it's a info Dofollow backlink. In the image section, if you guys are adding backlink in the content section, this should be going to the Dofollow. So if I can open image in next, so you can see this is our website URL, and this is a Dofollow backlink. Okay, so this is a process for the image submission backlink on that website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from my side. So okay, bye bye and take care.